Hi guys, how are you? Hello dosto, welcome back to Akbar Technical YouTube channel. And today my topic is how to use AI to turn player feedback into game improvements. A data-driven approach to game development. So, first of all, subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So let's start my video. So guys, as I mentioned that how we can use AI to turn players' feedback into game improvement. And basically, this is a very driven approach to game development. So, two things, according to my opinion, we have to study. First of all, using AI to game improvements and game development. Okay, so let's continue the video. We have to discuss very um, important things in this video, and I think this video is a little bit long as usual, but keep an eye on this video and let's start the video without wasting your time, guys. Okay, so every day millions of players share valuable insights about your game through support tickets, reviews, and feedback. So here's how AI can transform this gold mine of data into actionable game improvements that drive player satisfaction and retention. So the untapped gold mine, your support data. Game developers spend millions on user research, focus groups, and play testing to understand what players want. Yet there's a treasure trove of authentic, unfiltered player insights flowing through your support channels and every single day feedback that most studies barely scratch the surface of analyzing. Consider this: a single popular mobile game receives thousands of support tickets weekly, and each ticket contains not just a problem to solve, but a window into the player experience. When a player takes time to report a bug, request a feature, or express frustration, they are providing free, genuine user research that reflects real gameplay conditions. The challenge isn't collecting this feedback, it's making sense of it at scale. Traditional manual analysis simply can't keep pace with the volume of modern gaming feedback. This is where AI transforms customer support from a reactive cost center into a proactive product development engine, right? Where traditional feedback analysis falls short. Now, this is a topic we have to discuss. First of all, we talked about untapped gold mine, right? And now, why traditional feedback analysis falls short. Most game studios approach player feedback analysis with outdated methods that miss critical insights. Manual categorization bottlenecks. Support teams manually tag tickets as bug, feature request, or complaint. But this surface level categorization misses nuanced patterns. A ticket tagged as payment issue might actually reveal deeper problems with your monetization user experience. Volume overwhelm. Popular games generate thousands of feedback points daily across multiple channels, support tickets, app store reviews, social media mentions, in game surveys. So, no human team can analyze this volume comprehensively while maintaining quality insights. Delayed insights. By the time manual analysis identifies trends, the moment for quick iteration has passed. Players have already churned, negative reviews have accumulated, and competitors may have gained advantage. Language barriers. So, global games receive feedback in dozens of languages, creating analysis silos that prevent comparative understanding of player sentiment across regions. Context loss. Traditional analysis treats each piece of feedback as isolation, missing the cross functional insights that emerge when you connect support data with player behavior, retention metrics, and game progression data. So, the AI advantage from noise to insight. So, another topic we have to discuss about uh, the AI advantage from noise to insight. So, AI powered analytics transforms chaotic feedback streams into structure and actionable intelligence. Modern AI systems can process thousands of support interactions simultaneously, identifying patterns that would take human analysts weeks to uncover. Sentiment analysis at scale. So AI doesn't just categorize feedback as positive or negative. It understands emotional intensity, frustration levels, and satisfaction drivers. So this enables you to prioritize fixes based not just on volume but on emotional impact. Okay, so intent recognition. Advanced AI systems can distinguish between I can't find the settings menu, UI and UX issues, and the settings don't save my preference. Technical bug, enabling more precise product roadmap decisions. Pattern detection. So AI identifies emerging issues before they become widespread problems. If players start m- monitoring a specific level of feature com- combination in support tickets, AI can flag this trend while you still have time to investigate and fix it. So cross-channel intelligence, AI can correlate support tickets with app store reviews, social media mentions, and in-game behavior to create compassionate player experience maps. Okay, now real-world success. How gaming companies use AI for feedback analysis. This is my main topic, and I am discussing about it. So, leading gaming companies are already transforming their development processes through AI powered feedback analysis. And one major mobile game publisher user intelligent workflows to automatically route feedback to appropriate development teams while simultaneously analyzing player sentiment trends. So when AI detected increasing frustration around a specific game mechanic, developers were able to iterate and deploy fixes within the instead of ways. So another success story comes from a racing game developer who implemented AI sentiment analytics across their support channel. So the system identified that players we aren't just reporting bugs about car handling, they were expressing deeper frustration about the learning curve for new players. And this insight led to a tutorial redesign that improved starting day retention by 50%. So, the key insight from these implementations is that AI doesn't replace human judgment. It amplifies it. Developers still make a creative decision about design, but they make them armed with the compassionate real-time understanding of player experience across their entire user base. So now guys we have to discuss building your AI powered feedback loop. We have some steps. Step number 1, centralize your feedback streams. The foundation of effective AI feedback analysis is compassionate data collection. Unified customer service platforms that aggregate feedback from multiple sources in app support, email tickets, social media mentions, app store reviews, provide AI systems with the complete picture needed for accurate analysis. Okay. Now, step 2, deploy intelligent classification. Move beyond basic ticket categories to AI powered classification that understands context and intent. So, modern AI chatbots can analyze incoming feedback and automatically classify it across multiple dimensions. Technical with design issues, severity levels, affected game systems, player progressions, stages, and emotional sentiment. Okay, step 3, implement trend detection. Configure AI systems to identify emerging patterns before they become widespread problems. Set up alerts for unusual increase in feedback around specific game features, levels, or systems. So AI can detect these trends across languages and platforms, providing early warning systems for potential issues. Step 4 and the last step, create cross functional intelligence. The most powerful insights come from connecting support feedback with other data sources. Integrate your AI feedback analysis with player behavior analytics, retention data, and monetization metrics. So, this creates a comparative view of how feedback patterns correlate with business outcomes. So, guys, advanced AI techniques for game improvement, we have some important things to discuss, like predictive issue reduction. So, advanced AI implementations can predict potential issues before players report them by analyzing patterns in player behavior data. So, if the system notices that players who interact with a specific feature combination and tend to contact support within 24 hours, so it can flag this pattern for investigation. Another one is automated A B test insights. So, AI can analyze feedback patterns from A B tests to provide deeper insights than traditional metrics alone. So while standard A/B testing might show that version A has better retention than version B, so AI feedback analysis can explain why, and perhaps versions A reduces confusion around a specific mechanic that players frequently complain about in version B. Sentiment driven prioritization. So, not all feedback is created equal. AI can weight feedback based on emotional intensity, player value, lifetime value, engagement level, and potential viral impact. So, a highly engaged player expressing moderate frustration might deserve more attention than a casual player with mild complaints, and AI can make these nuanced prioritization decision at scale. Okay, and last one is regional and cultural insight. So global games face unique challenges around cultural differences and player expectations and communication styles. So AI can identify regional patterns and feedback. So guys, my topic is complete. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Take care.